Home-based detox from alcohol is possible, but requires careful preparation, monitoring, and ideally, medical guidance, especially for those with moderate to severe alcohol dependence. Alcohol detox is the initial step to remove alcohol from the system and restore bodily functions, though it's accompanied by withdrawal symptoms. These symptoms, ranging from mild such as anxiety and tremors to severe like seizures or delirium tremens, can escalate if not managed safely. Detoxing at home should only be considered by individuals with a mild dependency, and even then, it's advisable to consult a healthcare provider before starting. To safely manage detox at home, hydration is essential. Alcohol contributes to dehydration and disrupts electrolyte balance, so consuming water and electrolyte-rich drinks can ease symptoms like fatigue, irritability, and muscle cramps. A balanced diet, rich in proteins, vitamins, and minerals, further supports brain and body recovery. Alcohol use often leaves the body malnourished, so proper nutrition restores strength and reduces withdrawal severity. Gradual reduction rather than abrupt cessation is generally safer for home detox. A tapering schedule, where alcohol intake is reduced over days or weeks, allows the brain to adjust slowly, decreasing the likelihood of severe withdrawal effects. For example, reducing consumption by small amounts daily can help make the transition smoother. Additional strategies for managing withdrawal symptoms include relaxation techniques. Deep breathing and mindfulness exercises can alleviate anxiety, which is a common symptom during detox. Activities such as journaling, listening to calming music, or light exercise can help keep the mind focused and reduce the urge to drink. Staying in a comfortable, safe environment, away from triggers, is also beneficial. Quality sleep is another critical factor in home detox. Alcohol disrupts sleep patterns, and withdrawal can initially worsen insomnia. Creating a calm bedtime routine and avoiding caffeine later in the day can improve rest. Restorative sleep is vital for emotional stability and physical recovery during detox. However, those attempting a home detox should remain vigilant for severe symptoms like hallucinations, seizures, or rapid heart rate, as these may signal a life-threatening condition known as delirium tremens (DTs). Should severe symptoms appear, immediate medical intervention is essential. For this reason, some individuals choose a medically supervised detox, where healthcare providers can monitor and manage symptoms as they arise. Throughout the process, connecting with support systems such as Alcoholics Anonymous AA or a close friend can provide encouragement. Being accountable to someone and talking through challenges can significantly increase the likelihood of a successful detox. Ultimately, while home-based detox is an option, it's safest when done under professional advice. Medical support, even in an outpatient format, ensures that the journey is not only effective, but also as comfortable and safe as possible.